Hello YouTube, MES Edition here, and I'm back again in the video. So, there's breaking news coming in today. As you can see, Manchester United to launch Paul Pogba transfer bid this summer. So here he is. So let's get straight into this. So, Manchester United are reportedly ready to launch a bid to sign Juventus star Paul Pogba in the summer transfer window. The club have let Pogba leave in 2012, and he has gone on to become one of the best young players. I'm not saying the best player, but he is one of the best young players in the world. The France international is also wanted by the likes of Chelsea, Manchester City and Real Madrid, according to Gazzetta dello Sport. United could do with a bit more spark in midfield, with some doubts over Herrera, Schweinsteiger and Fellaini. I don't have doubts over Herrera, although his form went down, but he's been pretty good recently. But I do have doubts over Schweinsteiger and Fellaini. So Paul Pogba, we let him go on a free transfer to Juventus, and he's obviously been amazing. Skill, goals, pace, power, everything that we lack from our midfield. He is basically everything that we lack from our midfield. It would be really embarrassing to see us sign him for 80 million. I mean, we let him go for free, and he's basically minus 80 million right there in terms of profits. Well, it's obviously a loss. So I highly doubt he'll come back to Manchester United. Unless Jose Mourinho's manager, that might have a slight chance. But anyone in the right mind now knows that United are not going to be strong contenders unless we get Mourinho and a couple of more signings. But he would definitely not come if we don't have Champions League. If we don't have Champions League, I think Paul Pogba won't come. These are obviously transfer rumours, it's nothing confirmed news. I think he'll end up going either Real Madrid, Barcelona or Chelsea. Those are the three clubs he's strongly linked to. I don't know why it's not mentioned here, but I think he'll end up going to one of those clubs. So let's do this. Which former Man United player would you most want back? 51% said Pogba. I just went with Ronaldo because we lack a goal scoring winger, and Ronaldo can do that in abundance. But yeah, Paul Pogba 51%. I mean, I wouldn't mind him back, but I don't think he's gonna come. He is a great talent, one of the young best midfielders in the world. Pogba, I mean, obviously I would love to have him back. He's brilliant. So anyways, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.